Makata's cozy. Cozy? Ano to? What's that? Makata's cozy? Night. Okay. Sino yan? Sino to? Yeah. He's playing. Ba sino to? Si Hiraya o si Makata? Makata. Makata loved to play all day. All day long. He ran and giggled and built tall towers. Who's that? Sino to? Kuya, sino to? Kuya. Makata. Anong ginagawa ni Makata? Ligo. Good job. But when the sun went down, it was time for Makata's special nighttime fun. Time for your bath, my little one, said his nanay, Shana, with a warm smile. Splash. Splash. Good job. Oh no, who's that? Sino to? Spit. Okay, sino to? Busy pala, dumidede eh. Makata. Ano ginagawa ni Makata? Brush ng teeth. Good job. After his bath, Makata brushes his teeth. Brush, he said, making his teeth super clean and shiny. Nanay Shana helped him reach all the tricky spots. Good job. Sino naman yan? Read. Sino nagbabasa? Makata sa kasi? Nanay? Shana. Very good. Then it was time for a cozy story. Makata snuggled close to Nanay Shana and listened to tales of friendly animals and sleepy stars. Oh, sino na naman to? Milk. Sino to? Makata's drinking milk. After stories, Makata drank his warm milk. Yummy milk, he said, getting ready for sleepy time. Nanay Shana hummed a soft tune as he sipped. Who's that? Makata sa kasino to? Sino to? Tingnan mo yung picture. Sino yan? Sino mo na to? Sa kasi? Oh no! Did you hit your tooth? Sorry naman. Are you ouchie? You have ouchie? You want nanay to... Kailan natating si ate? Bukas. Okay. Wait lang, wipe. You're spilling your milk, kuya. Okay. Again, sino to? Si Makata at saka si Si ate ba yan? Si Bunny. Ito si Bunny, oh. Si Bunny din mag-listen sa story. Bunny. Makata gave his best friend Bunny, the stuffed bunny, a big hug. Good night, Bunny, he whispered. Bunny was always there for cozy nights. Wow! Who's that? Sino yan? Sino daw yan? Ha? Close? Okay, close muna natin. Dito natin lagay. Okay, sino to? Ay, naku, nawala. Sino naman to? Cuddle. Okay, magka-cuddle tayo. Ito muna, sino to? Ano yan? Kiss. Sino nag-kiss kay Makata? Nanay? Shana. Oh, wait lang. Tulungan kita. Kasi, wait. Upo. Oh, ganito. Oh, upo. Ayan, okay? O, tapusin muna natin book mo. Then, Makata climbed into his own soft bed. His blanket felt warm and cozy, like a big hug. Nanay Shana tucked him with a kiss on his forehead. Sleep well, my love, she whispered. Do you want to cuddle now? Do you want the end?
Nanay.
Yes. Cuddle na tayo? Say mo, all the end. Okay, da 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 da. Okay.